Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of multi-tools available on the market? Choosing the perfect camping multi-tool can be tricky whether you're looking for durability, functionality, or something lightweight yet reliable. Many of us want a tool that can handle the unexpected, but finding the right fit can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. In this video, we're solving that problem for you. We've done the research, tested the tools, and narrowed it down to the top 5 best camping multi-tools that deliver on performance and practicality. Stick around to discover which multi-tool fits your needs the best, and don't forget to check the product links in the description for easy access to each tool. Number 5. WORKPRO 11-in-1 Multi-Tool Pliers with Carabiner and Sheath. This compact multi-tool is perfect for those who value portability without sacrificing functionality. It comes with 11 essential tools, including a wire stripper and pliers, making it a great companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing only 220 grams, it's lightweight enough to carry anywhere, yet sturdy enough to handle tough jobs. However, its smaller size and basic toolset might not cater to users needing more advanced features. Overall, it's a budget-friendly option for casual campers and hikers who want a reliable multi-tool. Number 4. GERBER Clutch EDC Multi-Tool. The GERBER clutch stands out with its compact design and anodized aluminum handle, which ensures durability while keeping the weight at just 85 grams. Its 2-inch blade is sharp enough for basic cutting tasks, and the small size fits perfectly in your pocket or keychain for easy access. On the downside, its limited toolset and size may not satisfy users requiring heavier duty equipment. But for those looking for an ultra-portable and affordable multi-tool for light tasks, the GERBER clutch is an excellent pick. Number 3. SOG 18-in-1 PowerPint Multi-Tool Pliers. The SOG PowerPint offers an impressive 18 tools in a sleek and compact design. Made of stainless steel, it's built to last and ideal for outdoor survival and everyday carry. The straight handle style makes it comfortable to use, while the multifunctional pliers add versatility to your camping gear. That said, the compact design might make it slightly less comfortable for extended use compared to larger models. Still, for its price and tool variety, it's a great middle ground option for campers and outdoor adventurers. Number 2. GERBER Octane Multi-Tool. This multi-tool strikes a balance between functionality and size with its 9 essential components, including telescopic pliers and a pocket knife. At just 5 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to handle, with stainless steel construction ensuring durability in the wild. Its smaller toolset might not appeal to advanced users seeking more features, but for everyday camping tasks, it's a dependable and ergonomic choice. The GERBER Octane is a fantastic multi-tool for those looking to save space without sacrificing utility. Number 1. SOG 21 Tools PowerAccessDeluxe Multi-Tool. Topping our list is the SOG PowerAccessDeluxe, boasting an impressive 21 tools for virtually any camping or survival situation. Constructed from stainless steel, it's a powerhouse multi-tool designed for heavy-duty tasks while remaining portable and easy to use. The only potential downside is its higher price point, but considering the tool variety and durability, it's worth the investment. For serious adventurers who want a multi-tool that can handle anything, the SOG PowerAccessDeluxe is the ultimate choice.